Yo, what up YouTube EX? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tom Hawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now. As you can see in front of me, I have a package. So this is something for the Nintendo Switch. I've been waiting for this for a hot minute. Simple fact is, this is something that's going to change the way how you use your Nintendo Switch. So you already know the deal, bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So can't use my hot air gun on this thing because the simple fact is plastic, and the hot air thing to remove the label is basically just going to melt. So this is something that's going to be way better than every other adapter that's been out there for this. So let's just get this out the package. And here we go. So that's it right there. So this been through hell and back. So as you can see right here, this is for the Nintendo Switch 2. This is basically going to make your Joy-Con as a mouse way better than every other adapter that's been out there for the mouse and stuff like that. This is going to give you more ergo on it and make it feel more like a mouse compared towards trying to play this thing using it basically like this with the little extra piece on here. So it's better than using this, or if you have a JSOX grip, or the D-Brand Kill Switch 2, and you have the little piece on here, it's still not going to make it feel like a mouse. This right here is going to make this thing feel like 110% like a mouse. Now, I don't have any batteries with me. I got to search around the house or go to the store, pick up some batteries for this. But this does have RGBs on here. I do have my kill switch coming in the mail, so I'm waiting for them to send that out. I also got some stuff coming in from JSOX also, which is it's basically like the what is it, the split case, but this one is a little bit better. I actually have some other stuff that's coming from Amazon also that makes the kill switch 2 look like just a piece of plastic. All right, so here it is right here. We don't need this. Now I opt in for the 2. This was sent to me by the company. So you have one right here for your left side, and you have one right here for your right side. I will put the links inside the description of where you can get this at. Okay, so we have these right here. So basically all you have to do is just take your Joy-Con, pop it in like so. Let's just get that in like that. There we go. And now you have a full, oh, that feel good. Oh, that feel good. That feel good. Oh. And you have a nice little spot directly for your ring finger right there. As you can see, it's a nice little divot right there. Pop that ring finger in there. Your middle finger right here. Trigger finger right here. Then you have this. You got a nice rest palm right there. And as you can see on my switch. Oh, that feels good. I'm not going to cap. That feels good. Then you have your spot right here for your AA battery. So, oh, this takes AA. So, do I have a AA battery in here? Trying to think. Do I got any AA batteries in this house? I have no idea. I have no idea if I have any AA batteries. I'm trying to think what in this house I have that takes batteries. Nothing. Everything I have is built-in batteries, so I have no AA batteries. Actually, you know what? I'm lying. I have a AA battery. Here we go. I'm going to just take a AA battery in here. I have a box full of AA batteries, but I have to... Let me just try to get this thing off. I have no fingernails, so... Trying to get that thing. There we go. There we go. Let's just move this to the side just for right now. Move this to the side. We're going to pop in AA battery. There we go. There you go. Your RGB is right there on your mouse. Turn it off right there. Power it on. Right there. And this little button right here changes the mode for RGBs. That's sick. That's sick. That's crazy. And it feels smooth too, and it has nice ergo right there. Fingers like that. Or if you don't play like this, I'll basically be playing like this. Switch, but this gives me more control. I'm gonna try Apex Legends with this. I'm also try Fortnite and see how this feel like this. I am gonna change a lot of my keybinds. That's the reason why I brought this, so I could change the keybinds on here. As you can see right here, just pop that in as so. Boom. And now you got the wheelchair game like that, whatever. But yeah, this feels nice. And you got the straps right here so you don't accidentally throw it somewhere. So I am going to try Fortnite with this and see how this feels. And I still got access towards this thumbstick right here. And I got the buttons right there. So yeah, this does feel nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change up my buttons. And what I'm going to do is, and it's real easy to pop this out. One thing it is you got to do is I'm going to change it. So I'm going to probably use this as my jump or my slide, whatever. I might use this for my switching my weapons. So basically I'm gonna switch this from my to my ADS to my firing. So it's gonna basically be like this. Normally I would go like this and like this, but to make it feel like a mouse, ADS, fire. This, I don't know if I'm gonna have this set up for anything. With anything, I might have some of these buttons changed around. So this might be my change my inventory right there. This might be my other inventory, so I can change the inventory like that. This might be my slide or my jump or whatever. I'm not completely sure for a click. These might just be my regular for my pickaxes and stuff like that, to switch things up like that on the fly, whatever. And I don't know if I'm going to keep this as side buttons or what, but I'm going to do some changing on it and basically have these buttons right here as extra buttons right here, especially because you keep your pinky right here. So I might keep this as either my sprint and this is my run like that, or this is going to be my crouch and this is going to be my jump. And I don't know if I'm going to continue having this. I'll probably just keep having this as alternate, like the left or right or whatever like that. So I'm not sure how I'm going to have it yet, but I'm going to mess with some of my king bindings and find out how I'm going to do this. So yeah, guys, this is it right here. I will put the link in the description for this. You can get this in AliExpress. And yeah, this is it right here. So this is going to be the thumbnail. So there we go. Okay, guys. So that was just my thumbnail right there for that. And I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.